Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z7111AA. 98,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Impala brand new, black in color. The Impala's in the large car class. Seats 5, cloth interior. This Impala has the flip and fold seat feature. Seat bottom flips forward, giving you hooks perfect for plastic grocery bags. Everything's covered in hard plastic, makes it very easy to clean if it gets wet or dirty. Seat back can then fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Large, easy to read gauges with temperature and compass display in the dash. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Dual zone temperature control, 6-speed automatic transmission, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy. Along with those 300 horses, EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and almost new tires. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.